Samsung Galaxy S21 series press renders leak, confirmed design and all color variants. The leaks of Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S21 series don't seem to be stopping. Merely a couple hours after reliable tipsters, WinFuture's Roland Quant and Ishan Agarwal shared watermarked press renders of the Galaxy S21 series, renowned tipster Evan Blass shared unwatermarked high-resolution images of the three Galaxy S21 models in all colorways. Galaxy S21 leaked press renders. In case you're out of the loop, the regular S21 is likely to launch in 4 color variants. The options include Phantom Violet, Phantom Pink, Phantom Grey, and Phantom White. Coming to the larger Galaxy S21 Plus, the device is likely to go on sale in Phantom Silver, Phantom Black, and Phantom Violet colors. You can check out the renders of these models below. While the S21 Plus looks almost the same as the standard S21, it will be taller and feature a glass back panel as opposed to the rumored plastic back of the S21. Lastly, we have the renders of the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Unlike other models in the S21 lineup, the color options for the Ultra model are limited. Going by leaks, the device will be available in Phantom Black and Phantom Silver color variants. Rumored specifications of the Galaxy S21 series include Snapdragon 888 or Exynos 2100, India/Europe, S-Pen support, and up to quad-rear cameras and a 5,000 mAh battery on the Ultra model. You can check out our coverage on the alleged specifications of the S21 lineup right here. These shiny new renders come just a week after executives at Samsung's Opera House outlet in Bengaluru confirmed the launch date of the Galaxy S21 series. The S21 series is likely to launch on January 14th and go on sale from the 29th of January. As for the pricing, the rumor mill suggests that the Galaxy S21 series will be priced lower than its predecessors.